Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about some questions of miscellaneous exercise of chapter 6 that these are related to maxima and minima. So look at question number 8. Find the maximum area of isosceles triangle inscribed in the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. This is equation of ellipse. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 with its vertex at one end of the major axis. And in this question we have to find out maximum area of isosceles triangle, and isosceles triangle is in ellipse and its vertex, isosceles triangle one vertex is at the end of major axis. So look at this. Firstly we will discuss about ellipse. So here ellipse equation is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So it will cut at a on x-axis. Here a0, this vertex is a0 and this vertex is minus a0. So these are the vertices a0 and minus a0, and these are the vertices 0b and 0 minus b. This is major axis, this is minor axis, and we have to find the area of isosceles triangle, maximum area of isosceles triangle, which is inscribed in this ellipse, and this is isosceles triangle and its one vertex at the end of major axis. So this is major axis and it's one end of major axis. So one vertex of isosceles triangle is this. So this is minus a0. One vertex is minus a0. Suppose this point is xy. This point is xy and this will be x minus y. This point will be C point is x minus y. Is it clear? Now, and we know that this is vertical, this is base, and look at this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So if xy is the point, then this distance is x, this is y distance. This is x distance, this is y. So what is the area of isosceles triangle? If three vertices are given, we can find by isosceles by using Heron's formula. But here we can use half into base into height also. Base is this, height is this, because this is perpendicular to on this, because this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So same here, this is perpendicular to this. So this is base. What is base here? BC. BC is the base and height is AM. So what is the area of triangle? Half into BC into AM. And in this question we have to find out maximum area of this isosceles triangle. So firstly we will make function area is equal to half into AM into BC. What is AM? AM. This distance is A and this is X. So this distance will be A plus X. This is A plus X or X plus A. And this is base. Here this distance is Y and this is also Y. So it is 2Y. This distance is Y and this is also Y. Why this is Y? Because here this is perpendicular on this. And if perpendicular draw from opposite vertex to opposite side of isosceles triangle, it bisect the opposite side. So this and this part is equal. So it is y. This distance is y. This is also y. So this is 2y. So this distance is 2y. So BC here 2y. AM is x plus a. So 2 cancel with 2, x plus a into y. But here two variables, x and y are two variables. So firstly we will change this into one variable, and this xy point satisfy the ellipse because this point is also on ellipse. So we can find y from ellipse equation here. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So here y square upon b square is equal to 1 minus x square upon a square. So after solving we will get y square is equal to b square into a square minus x square upon a square. So y will be b upon a into a square minus x square square root. It is y. Clear? So we will put y in this equation. A is equal to x plus a into b upon a square minus x square square root. Y की value यहाँ put कर दो. Then this function is in one variable. Now we can show this is maximum. We can take derivative with respect to x here and we can show this is maximum. But here this is in square root. So firstly do squaring on both sides. So it is b square upon a square, a plus x whole square, and square root will cancel with square. So it is a square minus x square. Clear? Now we will take this is function and we have to show that this function maximum. So firstly take this derivative with respect to x. B square upon a square constant, and now we will use product rule for finding the derivative. A plus x whole square as it is. This derivative is a square derivative is 0 or x square derivative is minus 2x because minus sign here. So its derivative is 0 or x square derivative is 2x. So it is minus 2x plus a square minus x square as it is, and its derivative is 2a plus x whole square. Then 2 आगे आ जाएगा. A plus x raised to power 2 minus 1, it is 1, and x coefficient is 1. Now a square minus x square, we can write a square minus b square as a minus b into a plus b. So here a square minus x square is a minus x into a plus x. Now it is a plus x whole square. A plus x into a plus x, it is a plus x whole square. Now b square upon a square, a plus x whole square common from these two terms, and 2 also common because 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 common. So what is left here? Minus x, and here 2 common, this common, then what is left here? A minus x. So it is a minus 2x. Now factors of these are 2 into a plus x whole square into a minus 2x. Now we will take first derivative as 0. Then what is the value of x here? If a plus x is equal to a plus x whole square is equal to 0, then a plus x is equal to should be 0 because any square is 0, then that number should be 0. So that means x is equal to minus a. X is equal to minus a. And here a minus 2x is equal to 0, then a is equal to x is equal to a upon 2. But x cannot be negative here. X is the value of side, so it is not, it should not be negative. So we will use this x is equal to a by 2. Now we will take second order derivative. So what is first order derivative? First order derivative is 2b square into a plus x whole square into a minus 2x. Now we will take second order derivative. What is second order derivative here? D square a upon dx square is equal to 2b square upon a square, a plus x whole square into this as it is derivative of this. We will use product rule for finding derivative of this. First as it is derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first. So after solving this is 2 into a plus x common and 2 common. So what is left here? Minus and a plus x here. Here a plus 2 into a plus x common. So what is left here? A minus 2x. So after solving a cancel with a, x minus x minus 2x, it is minus 3x. So we will take negative sign outside. So if we will put x is equal to a by 2 in this, so it is negative. It is negative because the value of a is positive. This is positive. This is also positive. So minus of positive, it is negative. If second order derivative negative, that means a square is maximum. Or if a square is maximum, then a is also maximum when x is equal to a by 2. And we have to find out maximum area in this. So at x is equal to a by 2, area is maximum. So what is area here? It is b upon a. Area is b upon a into a plus x into a square minus x square. This is function. So we will put the value of x here for finding the maximum area. So x value is a by 2 for area is maximum. So it is area, maximum area is b upon a into a plus a by 2 into a square minus a by 2 whole square. So after solving this, we will get maximum area is 3 into root 3 upon 4 AB square units. This is answer. This is maximum area of isosceles triangle that is inscribed in a ellipse and whose one vertex is at end of major axis. So area is this. Now come to next question, 9th. In 9th question, a tank with rectangular base and rectangular sides open at the top is to be constructed so that its depth is 2 meter and volume is 8 meter cube. So in this question, depth is given, height is given 2 meter and volume is 8 meter cube. Here is rectangular base and rectangular side means cuboid and without top, open at the top means without top. If the building of tank cost rupees 70 per square meter for the base and rupees 45 square meter for the side. Here building of the tank cost this 70 rupees per meter square. 70 rupees per meter square for the base and 45 5 meter per square meter for the side. Here construction of these. So construction cost is this. What is the cost of least expensive tank? Least expensive tank. So in this question we have to show area. We have to show cost minimize. We have to show cost minimize cost. So firstly, what suppose length of the tank is x meter, breadth of the tank y meter, and height of the tank 2 meter. If length, breadth and height, we know about length, breadth and height, then we can find the least cost. So here length is x, y, breadth is y, and height is given 2 meter, and volume is given here 8 meter cube. So from here we can find xy, length and breadth. Length into breadth is equal to 4. 2xy is equal to 8 given because length is x, breadth is y, and height is 2. So length into breadth into height, it is equal to 8. So xy will be 4. So y is equal to 4 upon x here. Y is equal to 4 upon x. Now cost is 70 rupees per square meter for the base. So what is base here? Length into breadth. So this is base. X into y is the base. This is base area. And 1 square meter cost is, for construction of 1 meter square cost is 70 rupees. So it is xy, area is xy. So 70 into xy, this is the cost of construction of base. And sides area is 2 into x plus y into 2, because this is 2 into length plus breadth into height. Area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls is 2 into L plus B into H. So here 2 into x plus y into height 2. And its cost is per square meter is 45 rupees. So total cost is 2 into x plus y into 2 into 45 rupees. This is the cost of construction of sides, rectangular sides. So what is the total cost? This money for base and this is the money for construction of sides. So this is 70xy plus 45 into 2, 90, 92 is 180 into x plus y. So this is for 70xy plus this, but here x and y both are variables. So firstly we will change this into one variable. We know that y value is 4 upon x. Y is 4 upon x. So put in this. So it will be 70x into 4 upon x plus 180 into x plus 4 upon x. So after solving this, we will get C is this. And we have to show that this minimize. We have to show this minimum value. Clear? So firstly we will take derivative of this with respect to x. 280 derivative is 0. It is 180. X derivative is 1. Here plus 4 upon x. 4 is as it is. 1 upon the x derivative is minus 1 upon x here. So I'll take LCM. After taking this 0, we will find the value of x here. Here x value is 2 because x square is 4. X can be plus minus 2, but here we cannot take minus 2 because side of any base cannot be negative. Side of rectangle cannot be negative, so we will take positive. So x is 2 here. Now we will take second order derivative. What is second order derivative of this function? This function second order derivative 180 as it is. One derivative is 0 minus 4 upon x square. Minus 4 as it is. X square ऊपर जाके क्या आ जाएगा? X power minus 2. Then what is the derivative of this? Minus 2x raised to power minus 3. So this one. This is the second order derivative. Minus into minus plus 180 into 8 into upon x cube, because x power minus 3 नीचे आके x power 3 हो जाएगा. So it is second order derivative. Now we will put the value of x here. It is 2. We have found here x is 2. So put here. So for x is equal to 2, this is positive. This is positive. So if second order derivative is positive, then cost is minimum. So cost is minimum when x is equal to 2. And we have to find out minimum cost, least cost. So what will be least cost? We have to put the value of x is equal to 2 in cost function, this function. X is equal to 2 in this function. So it will be 70, it is 280 plus 180 into 2 plus 4 upon 2. So this one. At the place of x, we will put 2 here. So we will get 280 plus 180 into 2 plus 2, 4. 180 into 4. So we will get money 1000 rupees. Least cost is 1000 rupees.